Okay, my name's Loren Mears. This is our 1968 Plymouth Roadrunner. We have owned it for about 4 years, and we enjoy doing a lot of cruises, car shows, and some cruising. So far I have done replaced some heads, some small carburetor work, different rear end in it, and just mostly cosmetic. This is a 400 block with a 474 stroker kit in it. So it's pushing a little over 500 horsepower. It's got a 391 gear in it, so it's pretty wound up pretty tight. Fun from stoplight to stoplight. Not as much fun if you got to go very long distance in it. One of my favorite parts about the car is just the view from the back. It's got some pretty wide tires on it, and it's one of my favorite parts about the car for sure. It's a blast to drive. Again, I get a lot of looks and a lot of thumbs up, so it's a lot of fun. Kind of quick story, I've always liked Mopars. I went to my nephew's wedding reception, was at the bride-to-be's house, and this car was in the garage. I wasn't supposed to see it, and I stumbled across it and started giving the bride's father a hard time about it, and 2 weeks later we actually made a deal. So when I seen it, I pretty much fell in love with it. Yeah. It can be a handful on the from stoplight to stoplight, and again, a lot of thumbs up, but it runs great, and I really enjoy driving. I have a blast. I haven't dragged it myself yet. The previous owner did do some racing in it, but I'm actually in the process of toning it down a little bit. So I'm going to make it a little more of a cruiser than a racer.